Welcome to Understand the Math. This fall, I'm launching a new video series on linear algebra. Linear algebra is often perceived as an abstract branch of mathematics, but it actually plays a pivotal role in various fields such as computer science, physics, engineering, and economics. Linear algebra is a branch of mathematics that studies linear equations, vectors, and matrices, and how they relate to each other with vector spaces. The videos in this playlist are going to cover topics in linear equations, matrix algebra, determinants, vector spaces, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, orthogonality, and lots of applications of these topics. Along with the videos, I have free guided notes that you can download at understandthemath.com. Guided notes are a structured learning method that enhance understanding, improve retention, boost test preparation, and help you stay organized. There's space in the notes for you to highlight the concepts that we'll go over and fill out the answers to the examples that we're going to do. Join me this fall and let's start learning linear algebra together. Be sure to subscribe to my channel today so you can be notified when new linear algebra videos are released.